Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here as we go over week 14. And as always, beginning of the week, you're watching this video. Great. Go over the schedule. And you do have a weekly quiz to take as a pretest. Make sure you take good notes on that. You will have a discussion board. And then your other assignment this week is to take notes. So you'll have 3 videos and 2 articles on a couple of presidents, Garfield and McKinley, if you've never heard of them before. Not terribly surprised. But anyways, as always, go back through your grade book, make sure you've completed everything from last week, and be looking for anything else. We're getting near the end of the semester, and we really need to get everyone all caught up here. So anyway, so Monday, watch this video, take the weekly quiz, discussion board, and notes. So just go through everything as we go. So of course we're still in Reconstruction, Industrialization, and Immigration. Week 14, Progressive Politics in DWGs, or Dead White Guys. Going to be learning a little bit about that. There's kind of this will make sense as you go through. In day 1, they talk about how there's kind of an older way of thinking historically is just talking about all the great men that did all the great things, you know, the big, powerful, who was president, who was the richest man, and all that stuff. But there's a newer way of looking at history, and that's really looking at a lot of the other people who might not have had the fancy titles and all the money and power, but still had a big impact on the development of our country. Minorities, women, folks like that. So this week we're going to kind of look through the lens of, we'll call them the dead white guys, kind of through that lens. And then next week we're going to look through a different lens. So just, relax. I know some people kind of get uptight and say, oh, wait, what are you talking about? Are you, anyways, just relax. It will all make sense over the next couple of weeks. But anyways, those are the next 2 weeks. We are getting close to the end of the semester, so please stay on schedule. Please get your work done and turned in, and let me know. I won't see you on campus again this week, but let me know if you have any questions at all. Contact me any other way. Okay? See you soon. Thanks. Bye.